Hello friends, this is Dr. Sudhir Sharma bringing you a video concerning one very important aspect of your daily living, how to start your day. Normally, we start our day in one of the three main ways. Two of them are wrong and one of them is right. What I mean by wrong and right, I'll explain as we move along looking at this issue. The first wrong way is to leave your bed already thinking about that long list of things that you are going to do immediately or later on in the day. The mind is already busy in sorting out when to do what so that all jobs finish in time and nothing important is left undone. Now, let us try to understand what is wrong with this starting of the day like this. You are working like a machine under pressure and strain. There is anxiety and stress right in the beginning of the day. You tend to raise your voice in irritation or anger whenever you see someone or something upsetting your time schedule. You always find yourself in some kind of hurry and you are not really able to enjoy that cup of tea in the morning, your breakfast, the beauty and serenity of the early morning time. The whole day rushes by in your doing this one thing and thinking or planning about 10 others. This, I feel, is not to be labeled as right start of the day, and I wouldn't like to live like this for first few decades of my adult life just like a machine. The second way is to leave your bed in the morning with your mind already in a state of emotional turmoil because of some issue or problem you are facing in your life. At the start of your day, you are kind of fighting an emotional battle with yourself because of the issue that is troubling you. Your anger, your irritation, and bitterness may be directed towards a person or towards a set of undesirable circumstances or to some event that you want or don't want to occur in your life. Here, I want to make one very important thing clear. Even when the emotions are of excitement and pleasure generating, I still label this state as the state of emotional turmoil because there is no balance or harmony operating within yourself. Living every day in this state of emotional disturbances for long periods of time will destroy your physical health. In your 50s or 60s, you will suddenly realize that you have lived the wrong way. The low grade stress and stress of living like a machine in the first wrong way of starting your day will also leave a bitter taste of feeling disappointed with the way your life has been lived when you reach the ripe years of your life. Now, let us try to understand the essence of what I am calling as the right way to start your day. In this way also you will be doing all those activities of your daily life that you are doing in the first two wrong ways, but the quality of involvement of your mind, of your heart will be totally different in essence. First, the outline of how to let this way become operational in you every morning. Before leaving the bed, just remember to keep your eyes closed for about 2 minutes. Bring your total attention to your body. Feel alive in your every cell, in every inch of your body. You reach the first milestone when you are conscious of your breathing, of the touch of clothing on your body, of the sound reaching your ears. Now you can slowly open your eyes. Now let your eyes get filled up with whatever is visible in total clarity of visual perception. Let everything in the room come alive in colors, in texture and shape. Feel that you are fully alive in a room that has also come alive. The clarity of perception through every sense organ is of such high quality that everything is appearing very fresh, very new to you. You are likely to feel a deep sense of gratitude arising from deep within you about this new day you are going to live through with the blessings of gods or whatever you consider sacred in the universe. You have a full day ahead, and with this right start of your day, you are also full of positivity, full of confidence, full of positive energy, full of your being and your world coming alive through every sense organ, through every breath, through every heartbeat. Dear friend, now you can leave the bedroom filled with a feeling of joy and happiness that has no cause and is not dependent on anybody or anything for its continuation throughout the day. Trust me on this, my dear friends. This is the simplest and most natural and the only right way to start your day. As usual, a question for you all, friends. In your view, which is one most important quality in a person that brings happiness, peace, and positive energy in his or her daily life? Please share your view in the comment section. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and other social media platforms. If you are not subscribed to the channel so far, please do so. Now, the quote time. The happiness that you want to bring into the lives of your near and dear ones can only reach them when first it has passed through you. Thank you, my friend, for listening to this video to the end.